Good day, folks. Here is the part 2 update video. It's about an hour later, and we've got a pretty consistent drip of about 5 drips per minute. Fetters is doing a fantastic job. We've got a temperature of well over 100 in the cabinet there. Probably about 125, 130 degrees. And we've got about 5 drips a minute. This thing absolutely works wonders in an emergency situation with frozen pipes. It's more efficient than a space heater. It's only rated for 9.5 amps instead of 12.5, which is 3 amps more efficient on the highest setting. And very efficient. It's a really good machine. So hopefully we'll win this battle.